During this video, I'll show you how to remove the armrest of a Mazda 3 2010 to 2013. First, you need to go in the back of the car, and you'll need a flathead screwdriver or a trim piece removal like the one I have right here. You need to jam it between those two plastic trims and pull backwards. It will pop off really easily. Alright, now there are two metal tabs you'll need to remove. Use some kind of plier to grab them and just pull it towards one of the sides. Alright, we have this one. Now do the same on the other side. Once you're done, you should just lift the armrest and it should come right off. Thanks for watching.